with that 30, call me Curry Breed. 100 round drum on it with a fucking beam. Take the knife off of that bitch, cutting like Wolverine. These pussy niggas soft, they don't want no beat. Watch your circle.
What is up, you guys? It is Mads Bads back in the cuts, and I'm just gonna jump right into this video. So the first thing we're gonna use is our high color highlights in the color Magenta. I used 2 bottles of it, and then I also grabbed a 30 volume developer by L'Oreal. You're only gonna need 1 bottle for your head, depending on how long your hair is. My hair is like medium length, so I only needed 1 bottle. Then I used some oil to apply to the perimeter of my forehead. Yes, I got a big forehead, so I used some oil to prevent the dye from staining my head. And then you're just gonna need a brush and an old bowl to mix the dye in. And yeah. So now I'm beginning by putting the dye into the bowl first. That's all you're going to want to do. Just empty both tubes into your container. I don't really use correct proportions, so this is in no way a hair tutorial. I'm just showing y'all how I do my hair. Okay. So I'm just adding some developer, pouring in how much I think I might need. I just start mixing it together. You're also gonna need a shower cap. I forgot to include that in the things you need, but yeah, you're gonna need a shower cap for sure. First, I began by applying the dye to the front of my head. Me personally, I wanted the front of my hair to be lighter than the rest of my hair, so I didn't care about putting the color on my roots first. Yes, your roots process way faster than the rest of your hair because it's hot, like it's close to your scalp. So heat makes your dye, process way faster. So yeah, that front part is going to be way lighter than the rest. You guys will see in the end. There's absolutely no method of how I am applying this color. I'm just going in with my hands and massaging it into my hair. At this point in the video, I was kind of just applying what I had left in the bowl to all of my hair. So I was just saturating my scalp and making sure I didn't miss any parts in my hair because I wanted this color to come out pretty even. As you can see, I have finished applying all the color to my hair. And yeah, you just really want to make sure you work in that color. And don't be afraid to massage it in your head. Just try to get every strand coated. I even added some developer straight to my head because the developer is what makes the dye seep into your hair follicle. Like I said, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I just know what works for me. So yes, I applied straight developer to my hair. After you're finished applying, now you're going to put on your shower cap or any plastic cap that you can use to cover your head. And you're going to want to sit under a dryer or a blow dryer on a high heat setting for about 30 minutes. So now it has been way longer than 30 minutes. I have finished sitting under the dryer. I have washed the color out. I have also blow dried my hair, and now I am just laying my edges down before we get into this perm rod set. First things first, you're going to want to start creating sections for your perm rod set. They in no way have to be perfect. All you really have to do is create sections for each roller. So yeah, I just separated the top part of my hair from the back, so it would just be less hair to work with and less hair out of my face. So I did end up buying 24 rollers total, meaning that I did 4 sections in my hair and used all 24 rollers, meaning that each section had 6 rollers. Now you need to find some wrap and set mousse. You can use any brand. I'm just using the olive oil one. They have Nairobi, they have L'Oreal, they have any brand mousse basically. So just grab one and use it. I just began by applying the mousse straight onto my blow dried hair. And as you can see, I am starting at the bottom and I am wrapping the end of my hair around the roller first, and then I am rolling the roller all the way to the top next to my root. So yeah, guys, it's really nothing to it. Just apply the mousse and begin to roll from the bottom. You heard? And you're just gonna do 6 rollers in each of the parts all around your head. The finished product should look something like this. I can't even take myself serious because I felt like I looked like a damn granny, but that's okay. And I missed the back of my hair, as you can see, but that's okay. Alrighty, and now you're just gonna want to sit under some type of dryer or use your blow dryer to set these rollers in place. I invested in a stand-up hair dryer just because I'm a hairstylist and it's way more convenient than using a blow dryer every single time. And after removing the perm rods the next morning, this is how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah!